Hey, what's up you guys? Today I am going to teach you how to create a hosting and as well as the domain. So today first I will show you how to create a free domain. So this one is freenom.com, so that would be freenom, freenom.com. So this one you can customize your domain, but the extension you cannot. So it will give you a suggest it will suggest you a domain, but the extension is only limited, so you will not be getting .com or .net. So the extension would be something like ml.tk or something like that. So let's try on making a custom domain. So first things first, we will check if our domain is available. So let's create your domain. So I will try your average VA, and then click check availability. Then let's wait if we can see. So there you go. After waiting for it, so we can see that they have suggested that we can use your average va.tk.ml.ga.cf.gq. So so these are free, so you can use that one. So that is what we're doing now. That would be free, but if you want, there is an option for you to choose if you want to pay for your domain. So youraverage.com is $8.83, so that would cost, but you obviously you click on this video since the title says free domain. So we will just try to use this ML. So get it now, and then we will proceed to checkout. Okay, so here, so in the period here, this one here, it says 3 months at free or for free. So there's a trick in here that you can click on this drop down, and then you can extend your domain for a year. So let's choose that so that we can maximize, the free domain, and then continue. Okay, and then we will put our email so that we can use the service. So let's try this one. So I will just put my email. Next, what's okay? It says here that the verification sent to my email, and then we'll check my email. Okay. Oh, here, email verification. There you go. Click on the link that was sent to your email, and then we will put our details here. But you can put here. That's good. your password. I have ready to create a traffic lights, bicycle, just on here. Okay. We'll wait for order to confirm. Okay, it says that the order confirmation, thank you for order. I will receive confirmation email shortly. And then click here to go to your client area. Okay, so here it changed to Hello John since we have put. Let's check if my my email or the domain is already on my account. So let's put our email. Remember. Okay, here we go. As you can see, the status of our domain is active. It's free, and its expiry is on the 17th of February 2020. And then we have our domain, your average va.ml. So yeah, we can definitely use that. And then for the next video, I am now going to teach you how to create or have your free hosting so that we can use this domain that we created here at FreeNow. Okay, again, thank you for watching this short tutorial, and for more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe for this video, and then click the notification bell so that you will be notified once I upload a new tutorial or any informative videos that I can think. Again, thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.